Looking for the best boat lift services at Chickamauga Lake? Middle TN Econo Lifts is your trusted expert in boat lift installation, maintenance, and repairs. We specialize in high-quality, durable boat lifts that protect your investment and make lake life easier. From floating lifts to stationary lifts, we have the perfect solution for any dock setup. Our team ensures quick, professional installation with minimal downtime. Enjoy hassle-free boat access and keep your watercraft in top condition year-round. Serving Chickamauga Lake and the surrounding areas, we are dedicated to providing the best customer experience. Don't risk hull damage, algae buildup, or dock wear. Let us help you lift with confidence. Need a repair or upgrade? Our expert technicians have you covered. Middle TN Econo Lifts is known for affordable pricing, top-tier craftsmanship, and reliable service. Call 615-278-8219 today for a free consultation, or visit us online at middleeconolifts.com to learn more. Middle TN Econo Lifts, your #1 choice for the best boat lift services at Chickamauga Lake.